Hello everyone, I'm Isan. In this video, we'll look at the 8 newest features of the latest WhatsApp application. Okay, now let's see all of these latest features. When you use the latest beta version of WhatsApp in its initial display, you can immediately see a new look that is different from the previous version. For the chats, community, status, and calls option that were previously at the top, now everything has moved to the bottom. But here, even though the options seem to have moved to the bottom like the WhatsApp on the iPhone, the order of options looks much different from the iPhone version. And then there are also slight changes to the polling feature in the latest WhatsApp application. In this latest version, when you create a poll, now you can create a poll that can only be answered with one option. When you create a poll in the latest version of WhatsApp, you will find the Allow Multiple Answers option. And if you want to create a poll that can only be answered once, you can disable the Allow Multiple Answers options. And now WhatsApp users in the group can only choose one option in the poll that you created. And then now for the latest polling feature in the WhatsApp application, you can also search directly in the group chats option. All you have to do is search the word according to the questions in the polling, or you can also search based on the polling answers. Then the third new feature, you can also immediately change the caption in a photo or video when you forward them. When you forward a photo or video on the latest WhatsApp application, you can immediately delete the caption on the photo or video. And you can immediately replace the captions with another word. Next, the fourth new feature is the feature for transferring WhatsApp chats directly from the WhatsApp application. You can find this feature directly in the 3 dots option on the top right corner of your WhatsApp application. Then you can go to the settings. Next, you just have to select chats and scroll to the very bottom and select transfer chats. And then you can click start to transfer WhatsApp chats to another smartphone. But here, unfortunately, when we try this feature to transfer WhatsApp chats directly from this smartphone to another one, this feature still doesn't work optimally. Next, the fifth new feature is a feature to lock WhatsApp chat using a fingerprint. To lock WhatsApp chats with this latest feature, all you have to do is open the chat you want to lock, then tap the name of the chat at the top. Then you just have to select chat lock, and then enable lock this chat with fingerprint feature. And then after you lock a message in the WhatsApp application with a fingerprint, when you open the WhatsApp application for the first time, you won't find the message that you locked earlier. And to open the message that you locked earlier, all you have to do is scroll down a little, and at the very top here, the latest lock chats feature will appear. To open it, all you have to do is tap and unlock it with your fingerprint. Then you can immediately open the message that you locked earlier as usual. Next, to make the WhatsApp chat display that you have locked become a WhatsApp chat as before, you can reopen the chat that you have locked. Then tap on the profile section at the top. And then you can scroll and select the chat lock option. And here, all you have to do is disable lock this chat with fingerprint option. And then you can just confirm using your fingerprint. And now the chat will immediately appear as usual on the outside of the menu. Then the sixth new feature of the WhatsApp application is Groups in Common feature. This feature can be useful to see the specific contacts who are in the same group as you. To see this feature, you can open a contact in the WhatsApp application, then tap on the profile section. Next, scroll to the very bottom. And here you can immediately find a new feature called Group in Common. Here you can see the contacts that you opened earlier already join which group, which are the same as your group. And then next, the seventh new feature, you can also directly share voice messages to be immediately displayed on the story of your WhatsApp account. All you have to do is click on the pencil icon like when you want to add WhatsApp story as usual. After that, just press and hold the microphone button. And then you can say something to the microphone and share your WhatsApp story. Before the story is shared, you can also listen to the story first. And if you are still not sure about your story, you can also press the delete button and then you can record again. And if you want to delete the story while recording it, you can also slide to left like this, and the story with sound format will be deleted immediately. And then the next new feature, you can also directly use the same WhatsApp account on several different smartphones. So in this latest update of the WhatsApp application, you can use several smartphones at the same time to directly access the same WhatsApp account. And for these last WhatsApp features, we have already shared it in the previous dedicated video. If you want to check it, you can just tap on the video that appears on your screen. Hopefully useful. See you in the next video.